Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about collinear. Collinear implies area of triangle equal to 0. Collinear means all the points lie on the same line. So if there are 3 points, then all the 3 points lie on the same line. For example, consider this line. We take 3 points A, B, C. This is the first point A, and this is second point B, and this is third point C. So all the 3 points lie on the same straight line. So we say that these are the collinear points. And this implies area of triangle 0. We know the triangle shape and consider ABC triangle. In collinear, we cannot form a triangle. So this area is 0. Let us see the problems. Show that the points P, Q, R are collinear. So 3 points are given P, Q, R. We have to show that they are collinear. That means area of triangle formed by the points P, Q, R equal to 0. So the points are P minus 1.5 comma 3, Q 6 comma minus 2, R minus 3 comma 4. Now we know the procedure to find the area of triangle. So area of triangle PQR equal to half into first point, second point, third point, again first point. So here first point minus 1.5, 3. Second point 6 minus 2. Third point minus 3, 4. Again we have to repeat this first point minus 1.5, 3. That is equal to half into, we know the procedure, right arrow multiply minus left arrow multiply. First take this right arrow multiply, minus into minus plus, 1.5 into 2, 3, 6 into 4, 24, minus 3 into 3, minus 9. So this first bracket right multiplication minus second bracket left multiplication, that is 6 into 3, 18, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, minus 1.5 into 4 minus 6. Now this is equal to half into, add the first bracket, we get 18, minus adding the second bracket, we get 18. Now 18 minus 18, 0. 0 divided by anything is 0 only. So finally we have got area of triangle equal to 0. Therefore the given points are collinear. Next problem, the area is given, we have to find the constant. So the vertices of given triangle are taken in order and the area is provided. Aside, find the value of P. So here the vertices are given and also the area is given. We have to find this constant P. We take the vertices A, B, C. So A 0, 0, B P, 8, C 6, 2. given area of triangle ABC equal to 20. And area of triangle, we use the same procedure, half into first point, second point, third point, again first point. That is half into first point 0, 0. Second point P8. Third point 6, 2. Again first point 0, 0. Equal to right hand side 20. And now for the expansion, we use the procedure right multiply minus left multiply. So half into right multiply 0 into 8, 0. P into 2, 2p. 6 into 0, 0. Minus left multiply 0 into anything, 0. Plus 6 into 8, 48. Plus 0 into anything, 0. Next step, half into this first bracket is 2p minus this second bracket 48. So that is p minus 24 equal to 20. So take 2 outside and we can cancel this 2. So we get p minus 24 equal to 20. This minus 24 take right side plus 24. So adding that we get 20 plus 24, 44. Therefore the value of p equal to 44. Similarly, next problem also, the area of triangle is given. We have to find the constant value. So here the vertices are A, B, C. A minus 1, 2, B, K, minus 2, C, 7, 4. And also given area of triangle ABC equal to 22. We have to find the value of K. And we know the area method, half into first point, second point, third point, again first point. That is half into first point minus 1, 2. Second point K minus 2. Third point 7, 4. Again first point minus 1, 2. Equal to right hand side 22. And we use the method half into right multiply minus left multiply. So here right multiply minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. Minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2. K into 4, 4k. 7 into 2, 14. Minus left multiply. K into 2, 2k. 7 into minus 2, minus 14. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Equal to right hand side 22. So this is half into first bracket 4k plus 2 plus 14, 16. Minus second bracket 2k minus 14 minus 4 minus 18 equal to right hand side 22. So this is half into 4k minus 2k, that is 2k. 16 plus 18, this minus into minus plus. So 16 plus 18, 34. Now we can cancel 2. So taking 2 common and cancel outside, we get k plus 17 equal to 22. This 17 take right side minus 17. That is 22 minus 17, which is equal to 5. Therefore, the value of k equal to 5. Thanks for watching.